Hi everyone! Welcome to the behind the scenes of my latest video, How AI Bias Almost Cost Me a Job, my shocking interview experience. If you haven't watched it yet, go check it out. I'll wait. The link is in the description below. But if you are here for the juicy behind the scenes stuff, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. How I turn my stories into YouTube videos. The magic of iMovie, turning chaos into a cohesive story. So, this is where the magic happens, or at least where I try to make magic happen. Editing is my favorite part of the process because it's where the story really comes together. I use iMovie because it's simple, intuitive, and honestly, it gets the job done. But let me tell you, editing this video was a roller coaster. I had to cut down 3 records into something engaging and cohesive. It took long hours of trimming, rearranging, and adding effects to make it flow just right. My 8-year-old co-star steals the show. Now here is the real star of the show, my 8-year-old. He made a quick cameo in the video, and let me tell you, he was such a natural. Look at him, standing there in front of the mic, the teleprompter, and the camera. I mean, who needs a production team when you've got this little guy around?
Now, over to you. Have you ever had a strange experience with AI? Drop it in the comments. I'm all ears. AI is incredible, but it's only as good as the people building it. So let's hold these systems and ourselves accountable. Now, over to you. Have you ever had a strange experience with AI? Drop it in the comments. I'm all ears.
Funny bloopers. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. From setting up the camera and the lights to recording late into the night, this video was a labor. We had a few bloopers along the way, like this one, but honestly, those moments are my favorite. They remind me that creating content isn't just about being perfect. It's about being real, having fun, and learning along the way. Why sharing my personal story matters? Making this video was such a personal journey for me. Sharing my experience with AI bias was nerve-wracking because it's just an important topic and I wanted to get it right. But it's also so rewarding to hear from you in the comments. Your stories and feedback mean a lot to me. So thanks for being part of this journey. So what's next? I'm excited to keep creating content that sparks conversations and connects us all. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more stories, insights, and maybe a few more cameos from my little co-star. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.